guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today is actually a very exciting video for me. I keep telling you guys that I'm going to start doing these DIY projects, but I just haven't had any time to do them. So I finally got myself to do one, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a very cute but affordable Christmas wreath from the Dollar Tree. This DIY project is super easy to do. Anybody can do it. You can literally do this with your hand tied behind your back. This is super easy, and I want you guys to watch and try it out. And if you do try it out, I want you guys to send me pictures or post your pictures in the comments down below so I can see them. This is my first DIY video, and I'm super excited. I do these DIYs all the time, but I just don't film it. You guys know that I am a big advocate for saving money. Just because you make money doesn't mean you need to waste it. So anything you can do yourself or anything you can buy on a budget, I am all for that. So that is why I'm excited to start showing you guys all my DIY projects so you guys can try them out too. So if you want to see how to make this cute but affordable Dollar Tree wreath, then please stay tuned for the video. For those of you guys who are new to my channel, I'd like to say welcome. And for my OG subscribers, I'd like to say thank you for coming back. Okay guys, I'm super excited. I can't talk anymore, so let's get right into it. Okay guys, here are all the things you would be needing for this project. The first thing I picked out is this Christmas wreath from the Dollar Tree, and you guessed it, this was only $1. The next things are these Christmas ornaments. I'm going to be using the gold and red for this project. Up next, I'm also going to be using this beautiful flower arrangement, and then next I'm going to be using this white tinsel garland, and then last but not least, I'm going to be using this glue gun. So first thing first, I'm just trying to take off the tag here. And then what I'm going to be doing next for the next few minutes is opening the wreath up so that it can look bigger. Also so that I can have space to add my ornaments to the wreath. So I'm just going to speed this up a little bit. Okay, now that it's done, I'm going to make sure my glue gun is plugged in, and then I'm going to start to attach my ornament. It doesn't matter what order or size you go in, but for me, I'm going to do the red ones first. So now that the red ones are done, I'm going to go back and start with the gold ones. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far, and then now I'm going to grab my white Christmas tinsel garland, and then I'm going to start to wrap them around the wreath. This is going to not only make the wreath look fuller, but it is also going to give it a nice Christmas snowy look. Okay, so now the last thing I'm going to add is this beautiful flower arrangement. I don't know what it's called. If you guys know the name to this, please leave a comment down below. But this is also from the Dollar Tree. As I said, everything I'm using for this project is from the Dollar Tree. The only thing that's not from the Dollar Tree is the glue gun, of course. I actually got the glue gun from Joann's Fabric. So I use my glue gun a lot for a lot of other DIY projects, as I told you guys earlier. I didn't realize that I was out of glue until I started doing this project, and I only had a little bit to work with. So that is why you see me using that thing to push the glue down. Okay guys, this is the finished product. You can hang this on your mirror, you can put this on your door, you can set this on a nice table, or you can set this on your fireplace if you have one. But wherever you choose to place this, it is just going to give the place so much life. Okay guys, that is all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you want me to start making a lot more of these, please go ahead and let me know down below, because I'm excited to start doing this with you guys as well. I'm excited to use this platform to give you all of me. So I talk about nursing, I talk about feminine hygiene. Now I'm starting to do some hauls. I've also started to do some DIYs, and I just want to share a little bit of me with you guys. And thank you guys so much for all your love and support. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, I encourage you to do that. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also hit the bell notification button so you never miss another video from me again. Thank you guys again so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!